Are you suffering with eczema, dry, sensitive skin, or scalp? Well, stay tuned to this video. And even if you're not, still stay tuned. Hello, welcome to or welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. Thank you for clicking on this video. These products were formulated by a mom for her daughter who was suffering with eczema, sensitive skin, created with natural and organic ingredients. You can read more about their story at reagansanai.com. Moisturizing Aloe Refresher Spray, Rosemary Hibiscus Spray Gel, Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo, Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler, Nourishing Growth Oil, Mango Butter Souffle, Shea Butter Souffle, and Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner. Thank you so much, Reagan Sanai, for sending us these products. We are excited to use them. This is our honest reaction and review of these products. Ooh, I'm liking this already. Yes. You really can finger detangle with it. And let me just say right now, this is by far the best shampoo I've ever used, and it definitely will be added to our products must-have. This shampoo is so, it smells good, it detangles, it is a dream. I've never used a shampoo that really detangles and cleans the hair all at the same time. It's just, I just never have. It doesn't feel stripped, it just feels clean and soft. The owner suggested to me to apply it in 4 sections, but really, I don't even have to do that. I did it because I want to follow the directions of the product to get the best results. But I know if I want to do a quick wash with her hair, I can do it all at one time. She did recommend that I use the Nourishing Growth Oil with the deep conditioner to give you like a hot oil treatment all in one, that it works very well together. Very creamy, smells so good. All of the products smell so good, not overbearing, has that natural good organic clean smell, the natural scents and fragrance of essential oils, and not the overbearing perfumey chemically smell, which my nose can very much appreciate that. My allergies. I don't even need to detangle now because I did that in the shampoo process. Hey. And let me just say, I am so thankful that these products were sent to us to try. Her hair felt so smooth and silky after I rinsed out this deep conditioner. It
feels so nice.
And this leave-in detangling conditioner does actually live up to its name.
I'm gonna feel it again. Wow, that feels even nicer.
I usually don't use any kind of oils or butters on our hair. I really like this Mango Butter Souffle. It's very creamy and thick but smooth. It has me rethinking the butter usage. As you see here, I am having a problem getting the gel to come out of the spray bottle, so I actually had to attach the other top that the company did send. So it's great that they do give you another alternative to getting the gel out of the bottle. Now about this gel, it is very thin and watery like, but it will surprise you. It does offer you a light hold, and that's what the company tells you. Even with that light hold, I was able to get 4 days with Shama's hair, even though on the 4th day I had to put it up in a ponytail because her hair at the roots were getting more poofy. And I did notice that it gives her a more smaller curl. These are Shama's next day curls. This is before I refresh it with the aloe spray. Just took it out the high ponytail. And I usually don't use anything to refresh our hair.
Hi guys, this is the 2nd day hair today.
And this is after the refresher spray. And by the way, we do not have eczema. And there you go.
I like how the curls in the front.
Okay, this is day, what, Shama? 3-day hair.
Okay,
Getting ready to go to school. And her curls, she has a little frizz here. As you can see, her curls are still intact. I just refreshed her hair with the moisturizing aloe refresher spray, and her hair is still soft, moisturized. You can feel the oils in it, but like you see right here, her hair is less defined. So I even tried the products on my 16-month-old Sadinia's hair. You'll never know how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Pretty, Dina. Yay! You like your hair? There. Day 4, I am putting it up into a some up, some down ponytail using the refresher spray and the leave-in detangler. You know I had to try it on my hair too now. And baby, this thing just take it to a whole nother level. Look at them curls just popping and moisturized and soft. So I decided to do a twist out, which I don't normally do. Right here, I did a wash and go just to see how it will hold, but I wasn't feeling it, so I will have to test it again later. This is her 4th day hair, and when she came home from school, I re-moisturized it and put the twist in.
I didn't know my hair can be like this. It looks so cool.
Your hair was like this a long
Even
time ago.
yours. I want to be recording yours because you're recording mine.
And I just want to say real quick that the owner seems very passionate about her products, and she's there to assist you and to help you with any questions. I can feel the oils in my hand. It feels soft. It feels good. And now I'll just have to, I don't know if I'm gonna style it right now. I'm just gonna let it fall. If I need to, I can take my steamer and go in there and fluff it out. I like these twists now. Wow, I haven't had no twists like this. You know, I think probably one time before, and it was a long time ago because I'm not a twist out girl. Because my hair, it just, I don't know, this would never do right. I'm digging this. Have to fix this situation back here because I forgot to do the twist coming down the middle to hide the middle part. So I'm gonna have to play with that, manipulate it. So overall, we really enjoyed everything that was sent to us, honestly. As of right now, I think my favorite products are the shampoo and the deep conditioner. And I really like the leave-in detangler as well. Now, the mango souffle and the shea butter souffle can be used both for your hair and your body. And I really enjoy them on my body. I'm still trying to adapt to them on my hair. All the deets and the information on where you can find the products will be linked in the description box. And I must say, the brand colors are very pretty. You like it that much?